Guys, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing an eye look because actually several of you have messaged me or whatever in different places like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook that you guys wanted to see an eye look that I did with the Going Coconuts palette. I was actually kind of shocked how many people wanted to see me do the look, and some people thought I was wearing other palettes and stuff like that, or like someone said like, were you wearing a liquid shadow? Nope, it all came from this palette right here. So my BFF, Caitlin, actually got me this palette as a little best friend gift. She also got me my very favorite face mask from, oh, what is that called? Generation Beauty? Wait. I forget. Oh my god, it's like slipping my mind, but I love that face mask and she sent it to me. So I was like, oh, you're the best person in the whole world. But she also has a YouTube channel. I told her she needed to start one, and so she did, and she's been on here for like a month now, and she buys so much stuff, it's insane. So she always shows her hauls, and I love haul videos. So if you guys are interested in haul videos, like tons of haul videos, down below is going to be her YouTube link. Go over there and subscribe to her. It would mean so much to me. She sent me this. Go show her some love in her recent video. Go watch it and tell her that I sent you. It would tickle me to death if you guys go watch her, because she's literally the cutest, sweetest little thing ever. But enough talking about her. Let's talk about me, okay? Let's talk about moi. No, I'm just kidding. But I just really want to get down to the eye look. So we're going to be doing this today, and then I'm going to film an Ulta haul for you guys because I did buy a lot of stuff and I wanted to share it with you. So this video will probably go up after that, but I just want to go ahead and get it out of the way because I want to look good for the rest of my videos that I'm going to film. So without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, so I have my favorite brushes here in my new little cute mug that my friend Brenda sent me. I think this is the cutest little mug. I don't want to drink out of it. I just want to use it for my brushes so I can stare at it every single day and not just like put it up in my cabinet. So all my favorite brushes are now in this mug. And if you guys ever feel like sending me anything, like a Christmas card or something, I do have a P.O. box now. I have it down below. You don't have to send me anything, but you guys are so sweet. And I know a few of you have been asking for me to get a P.O. box, which is insane, but yeah, I have one. So down below, let's go ahead and get into the video here with the, I feel like I just popped something out of here. Oh, yeah, this pan keeps wanting to like come up. I think I just like heard it go. Anyways, we're going to be doing the exact same eye look that I did in one of my past videos because that's the one that all of you have been wondering about. So I'm going to show you guys the eye look that I did do. So let's go ahead and get started because obviously I've been talking for way too long. Excuse the dirty brushes. So I took this shade here called, what is this called? Shredded, and I literally just put it all over my eye. And like any other video, I'm going to focus only on this eye and just have this one done after the fact so the video isn't like uber long. But yeah, let me get my Jeffree Star mirror and get to putting this shade Shredded all over my lid. Okay, so now that the color is all over my lid, I'm going to take the shade Culotta here, and it's such a cool toned brown. It's amazing, and I can say that I don't really have these shades in my collection, which is kind of strange because I do have a lot of neutral palettes, but these are just like on another level, like the cool toneness of it. But I'm going to take the shade Culotta, and I'm just going to take a little bit and tap off the brush and then just start working it in my crease. I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to take it where I kind of stopped at my crease and V it in. I say that a lot. I don't really know any other way to explain it other than to V it. So I just kind of take it and V it in, so it kind of like does a V shape, if you can see what I'm saying. You see how it's kind of creating a V? Beautiful. You know, I just realized you guys might want to be a little bit closer without falling over. So let me just work on that really quick because, you know, there. That's a little bit better. I can't really, you know, I can move up some. Hold on. Ugh. I feel like I'm surfing. Okay. Oh, that's as close as I can get. Okay, sorry about that. I just like completely forgot that. Obviously, you need to be a little bit closer. Okay, so once I did that, I took the shade Shell Yeah right here and put it just under that color that I put on both sides. I feel like I need to buff that a little bit more. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take Shell Yeah and put it just under the Culotta shade that I did. Here we go. Work it into my crease just under the Culotta shade. I just wanted to repeat that. And then we're gonna V it as well. Beautiful. Can you tell the difference with the colors? I hope so. I can see them. Okay, now I want to darken up my outer corner, so I'm going to take the shade Nutty here and just darken it up. And I always do a little bit at a time just so I can build the color up because I'm still like new with eyeshadows, so I do everything like a little bit at a time so I can build it up and not mess up as much, and that has been like really hopeful. So I'm just saying. So I'm just going to tap it at first and get that color on the lid, and then I'm just going to start to blend it up. And I'm only gonna do it to this half of my eye, the outer corner. And I do want to say that these colors really blend like an absolute dream. Now it's okay if it doesn't look like perfect down here. We're going to be putting a shimmer on top of that, so don't you worry. As long as it's blended nicely up here, that's all that matters. Okay, so since I'm still playing with like the mattes right now, I'm just going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to take the shade Culotta, and I'm just going to put that in my lower lash line and just bring it about all the way, but not like this part of my inner corner, like closer to it, because I'm going to be putting this white shimmer shade there. Okay, you guys, so here comes the fun part. We're gonna do some of these shades here, the like fun, like shimmeries. What are they? Like metallics or something? I don't know, but they're the like shimmers. So the shade here, Cocoa Crush, I'm going to put all over my lid, and anytime I do anything like this, I always use my finger. You're welcome to use a brush. They look more foiled that way, but I don't really mess with brushes because somehow I mess up and hard pan my palettes, so we're not doing that. So I'm just taking the shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my actual lid. And that's what it looks like when you apply it all over the lid. And it's kind of going up here, but that's because I have hooded eyes. So anything that I ever put here usually goes up a little bit higher. And you can tell whenever my eyes are like open, but not like normal because, you know, obviously you can't see it now. But look at the difference in both eyes. This stuff just really transforms a look. Okay, so now that it's on both eyes, our last step is this shade here. It's called Palm Reader, and it's a pretty white color. And we're just going to apply it in the inner part of our eye and only about halfway over, not all the way across, just a little bit. You see, it stops about right here. And then I'm going to apply it to my inner corner and just below my lower lash line where we stopped the Culotta shade. So it's going to double as my inner corner highlight as well. Okay, so this is the completed eye look with the palette. The only shades I did not use is Lovely Bunch, Get Crackin', or DeCoco. So these three shades, the only shades I didn't use. I used these three, these two, and the one in the middle. So I used just about all the shades so you can see kind of like what you got going on here. It's not the best eye look in the world because like I suck, but you get the idea. It looks pretty good. I think it looks okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back for the final look. Finished eye look, close up. I think it looks so good. So yeah, this is my eye look using the Going Coconut palette from ColourPop. You guys can get this on sale. It's like $8 right now because ColourPop is having their Black Friday sale. 30% off of everything site-wide. Go check it out. It's time to go coconuts, you guys. This is such a beautiful palette. Love the eye look. So if you guys love it too, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go to my friend's channel, Caitlin. She's down below. Go check her out. Show her some love on her video. Tell her I sent you. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.